Nothing Phone 3A Pro vs Samsung Galaxy A56. When it comes to display, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro boasts a stunning 6.77 inches AMOLED screen with an impressive 88% screen-to-body ratio, making every visual pop and immersive. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy A56 features a slightly smaller 6.7 inches Super AMOLED display at 87.7% screen-to-body ratio, offering vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Both are perfect for binge-watching your favorite series or gaming on the go. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro takes the lead with its dual 50-megapixel main camera setup, featuring a wide lens with OIS and a periscope telephoto lens that offers 3x optical zoom. This setup is ideal for capturing stunning details from afar. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy A56 also packs a 50-megapixel wide lens, but complements it with an ultrawide and a macro lens, making it versatile for various photography styles. Choose your weapon for those picture-perfect moments. In the performance arena, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro scores an impressive 820,097 on Antutu, showcasing its robust capabilities. However, the Samsung Galaxy A56 outshines with a score of 908,689, meaning it can handle multitasking and gaming even more efficiently. If speed and responsiveness are your priorities, the Galaxy A56 might just be your best bet. Both devices deliver sharp visuals with Full HD Plus resolutions, but the Nothing Phone 3A Pro has a slight edge with 1080 by 2392 pixels, translating to a pixel density of 387 ppi. The Samsung Galaxy A56, while slightly lower at 1080 by 2340 pixels, poor 385 ppi, still ensures clarity and quality in every image. Either way, expect a delightful viewing experience. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is powered by a Qualcomm SM7635 Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset, offering solid performance. However, the Samsung Galaxy A56 utilizes the Exynos 1580, which runs at a higher clock speed, providing a snappier experience overall. If performance is your game, the Galaxy A56 might take the crown here. Both the Nothing Phone 3A Pro and Samsung Galaxy A56 come equipped with a robust 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring you stay powered throughout your day. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working, you can count on both devices to keep you going without frequent recharges. Battery life won't be an issue with either of these champions. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro features a vibrant AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus support and a peak brightness of 3000 nits, perfect for outdoor visibility. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy A56 Super AMOLED display offers HDR10 Plus and peaks at 1900 nits, ensuring rich colors and deep blacks. Both displays are excellent, but the Nothing Phone 3A Pro shines brighter in extreme conditions. For selfies, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro leads with a powerful full 50-megapixel front camera, ensuring every shot is detailed and vibrant. In comparison, the Samsung Galaxy A56 offers a 12-megapixel front camera, which is decent but doesn't quite match the clarity and quality of its rival. If you're a selfie enthusiast, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is your go-to. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro's Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset delivers efficient performance, while the Samsung Galaxy A56's Exynos 1580 offers a competitive edge with its high clock speeds. Both chipsets are built on a 4nm process, ensuring power efficiency, but the Galaxy A56 may provide a slight advantage in demanding tasks. Performance enthusiasts may prefer the A56. Both devices offer similar memory configurations with options of 128GB and 256GB, paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM. This means you can enjoy smooth multitasking and ample storage for your apps and media on both. No clear winner here. You can't go wrong with either device for your storage needs. For video recording, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro supports 4K at 30 FPS and 1080p at multiple frame rates, ensuring smooth and high-quality footage. The Samsung Galaxy A56 also supports 4K at 30 FPS, but has fewer options for 1080p. If video quality is your priority, both are solid choices, but the versatility of the Nothing Phone 3A Pro may give it a slight edge. Finally, let's talk price. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro is priced at $500, while the Samsung Galaxy A56 comes in slightly cheaper at $450. If you're looking for value, the A56 offers great features for a lower cost, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. Both devices deliver on quality, but the price difference could sway your decision.